Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't hear phone calls unless on speaker on iPhone. The first thing I would recommend you do, depending on the model iPhone that you have, is either pull down from the top of your phone or from the bottom of your phone. You want to glide up and you want to go into the controls right here. And you want to check if your volume is turned up, and you also want to check if your device is connected, for example, to an headphone. So if you're connected to the headphone, you'll normally see the headphone jack right here, or if you're connected to your earbud, you will see it right there. If it shows that you're connected to your headphone, for example, if you have an older model iPhone, you will simply use your headphone and plug it in, and if anything, I would recommend that you clean out the earbud section, then try again. If you're showing that you're connected to your earbud, I would recommend that you disconnect the Bluetooth and you disconnect your earbud overall. The next thing that I would recommend you do if that doesn't work is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and you want to tap on accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you're going to scroll down until you see hearing, and from here you're going to tap on audio/visual, and you want to toggle off phone noise cancellation. After doing that, you're going to go back and you're going to tap on hearing device, and you want to toggle on hearing aid compatibility, and that normally works if your phone is having a software issue or so on. The other thing that I would recommend you do if that still doesn't work is go into your device again, and you want to stay in settings and you want to tap on general. But before you even doing this, what I would recommend is you simply press down on the bottom of your phone, right around where the home button would normally be, and simply count to 20. I found that has helped sometimes. But if that doesn't work, you'll go into general, then you'll simply scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and you want to tap on reset. Then I would recommend that you tap on reset all settings. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.